Hi students, how are you? This is N. Srinivas Reddy, JL Commerce, TSWRJC Atunara. Students, in the previous videos we are discussing about the regarding the goodwill related problems. Students, in this video I am going to discuss the adjustment of old partners capital on basis of the new profit sharing ratio. So here after joining of the new partner we are find out or calculate the new sharing ratio. According to that, old partners in sometimes they bring and sometimes they left some cash from the firm. So here sometimes it may be decided by all the partners that their capital in the next firm shall be contributed directly in proportion to their new profit sharing ratio. In such situation, the total capital of the firm into be ascertained on the basis of new partners share of profit. Then the total will be contributed by all the partners in proportion of their new profit sharing ratio. After calculating the capital to be contributed by old partners, the difference between the actual balance of capital and the capital to be contributed by each partner requires adjustment. In such cases, the following is needed. Sometimes the actual amount will be withdrawn from the old partners. In sometimes they bring some amount for adding their capital. So students, now I will read the problem. Here the Rajesh and Ramesh are the partners. They are sharing profits and losses is the 3:1 ratio. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2000 was as under. Here the creditors is 40,000, general reserve is the 10,000, capital 30,000, 20,000 respectively. And Ramesh and so it is the cash is the 35,000, debtors is the 20,000, stock is the 15,000, land and building is the 20,000, furniture is the 10,000. So total of the both side is 1 lakh. Here they are giving some adjustments. They decided to take Mr. Suresh into partnership 1/4 share. So here the remaining share is 1 minus 1/4. Fifth is the 4/5 share is there for future profits. The conditions of admissions are follows. Suresh should bring 20,000 as his capital in cash, depreciate furniture and stock by 10%, land and buildings to be appreciated by 20%. So here the goodwill of the firm valued 8,000. Create a provision for bad debts is the 5%. Capital accounts of the partners to be adjusted in cash on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. So here they are asking adjustments. Here the depreciation of furniture is 10%. So here the furniture is 10,000. So here the depreciation of furniture is 1,000, and land and buildings are appreciated by 20%. Here the land and buildings are 20,000. So appreciation value is of 4,000. Goodwill of the firm is valued 8,000. So here the creation of goodwill only. So that amount will be credited to the old partners. So here they are not written off the goodwill. That's why here we are shown the goodwill in the balance sheet. So next is the create provision for bad debts is at 5% on debtors. Here the debtors is 20,000. So here the 1,000 on the this is provision for bad debts. Now we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. In this problem it is needed. In the previous problem, due to the not needed, we are not preparing, but here we are needed. That's why here we are preparing it, students. Now we are change the ink which color. So here the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So you are underline it because you can easily find what we are doing here. So here we are giving 1/4 share to Mr. Suresh as new partner. So remaining share, here the remaining share is 1 minus 1/5. So remaining share is 4 by 5th. Rajesh and these are the old partners, Rajesh and Ramesh. Sharing ratio, it means old sharing ratio is 3:1, or if it want to show it on the fraction, 1 by 4. New, here we are find out the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old sharing ratio into remaining share. So here the Rajesh, first partner is Rajesh share in new ratio is, his old ratio is 3 by 4, already you know. Remaining share how much? It is 4 by 5. So 3 by 5. Next is Ramesh. Ramesh sharing ratio is, old is 1 by 4 into 4 by 5. It is 1 by 5. Now Rajesh, Ramesh, Suresh sharing ratios is equal to 3 by 5 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 5 is equal to 3 is to 1 is to 1. So their new profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 1 is to 1. Next is ascertainment of total capital of the firm. So students, here already I explained you ascertainment of total capital of firm. So here the 1/5 share of capital is, share of capital is 20,000. So already you know, Mr. Suresh, you bring 20,000 for 1/5 share. Total capital is 20,000. Sorry, 20,000 into 5 by 1 is equal to, it is 1 lakh. Next is new ratio is, new profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 1 is to 1. Next Rajesh capital is, Rajesh required capital is equal to 1 lakh into 3 by 5 is equal to 60,000. Next Ramesh required capital is 1 lakh into 1 by 5, 20,000. Suresh capital already we know, it is 20,000. So according to the Suresh capital, we find the new capital. According to that, remaining partners also they bring their capital. If it is the less, if the more, they will take that amount to their homes. First is date, particulars, LF number, debit rupees, credit rupees. So first here the Suresh brings the capital. Suresh cash account, debtor to Suresh capital account, that is 20,000. Next one is they are creating the goodwill. For that goodwill account, debtor to Rajesh account to Ramesh account. Here the goodwill is 8,000. For Rajesh is the 6,000. Ramesh is the 2,000. Next revaluation accounts. Here the revaluation account, debtor to furniture account. Here the furniture is depreciated. Furniture account, that is 1,000. Next is stock also depreciated. Revaluation account, debtor to, here the stock account is 1,500. Next is land and building appreciated. Land and buildings account, debtor to revaluation account, that is 4,000. Next we will write the vendor page. Next is provision for bad debts. So here the revaluation account, debtor to provision for bad debts account, that is 1,000. And students, there is a general reserve is there. We write the entry for that. So here general reserve account, debtor to Rajesh account to Ramesh account. Here the general reserve amount is 10,000. So this 10,000 is distributed 3:1 ratio. It means 7,500, 2,500. Now we are prepare the revaluation account. So here buildings only appreciated, remaining all depreciated. By land and buildings account, land and buildings account, it is 4,000. Next one is the debit side, to furniture account is 1,000. Next one is to stock account is 1,500. Next is to provision for bad debts, it is 1,000. Total is our. So if you are totaling the two sides, 4,000, 4,000. So here the credit side is more than the debit side, that is the 500. It is the excess amount profit. It will be distributed to two parties, that is Rajesh capital account to Ramesh capital account. So 375, 125. So next we are going to prepare the capital accounts. It is the, so first Rajesh, Ramesh, next is Suresh, Rajesh, Ramesh, Suresh by balance here 30,000, 20,000 by cash 20,000 by goodwill, that is 6,000, 2,000 by reserve, that is 7,500, 2,500 by revaluation account, that is 375, next is 125. So total is over. So here the students already we find Rajesh required the 60,000, Ramesh required the 20,000, Suresh already know. So if it is a more or less, first of all we calculate. So here the Suresh amount is only 43,000, Rajesh amount is 43,875. So remaining amount is required to need by cash is 16,125. So Ramesh amount is here the 24,625. So that he is not needed. Taken here the 60,000. So to cash here the Ramesh amount is more than 20,000. So that's why he will bring the remaining amount. So here the total amount is 60,000, 24,625, 20,000. To balance is 60,000, 20,000, 20,000. So here all the partners according to the 3:1:1 ratio they bring the capital. Here the Rajesh capital is less, that is only that is the 43,875. That's why he needed to take the additional capital, that is the 16,125. Here the Ramesh capital is more than 24,625. That's why he take that amount is home. So like this we can adjust the now cash account. Anytime cash account or any asset shows the debit balance. Here the cash is 35,000 amount shows. So here the Mr. Suresh brings 20,000, and due to the less amount Rajesh also taken the amount is 16,125, and here the due to the excess amount Ramesh taken that amount is home, that is 4,625. So now we are tallying the two sides of the cash book. In the debit side 71,125. So difference is 66,500 by balance. Next is the goodwill account. So it is particulars total rupees, particulars total rupees. So here the only write the entry when the brings the goodwill, when the create the goodwill by old partners to Rajesh and Ramesh, that is 6,000 to 2,000. So here 8,000, 8,000 by balance on the two sides is 8,000. Now we are going to prepare the balance sheet. These are liabilities, rupees, total rupees, assets, rupees, total rupees. First of all, I will write the asset side. Cash, already we have prepared the cash account that shows the 66,500. Next is the debtors. Here the debtors is 20,000 less provision. Already we calculate and showing the revaluation account. It is the 90,000. Next is stock. Here the stock is 15,000 less depreciation. It is the 1500. Balance is 13,500. Next, land and buildings, that is 20,000 add appreciation, that is the 4,000. Amount is 24,000. Next is furniture. Here the furniture is 10,000 less depreciation 1,000. Remaining amount is 9,000. Next one is goodwill, because here we are not written off it, and new partner they not bring the goodwill. That's why we will show the goodwill in the asset side. Sundry creditors. Next, that is the 40,000. Next is capitals, not capital. Rajesh, Ramesh, Suresh. It is a 60,000, 20,000, 20,000. Total is 1 lakh. So in the total of the two sides here is 1,40,000. So this is the problem for students when all the partners capital is regarding the ratios. Students, this is the problems for the admission of the partners. There is many problems is there, but doing all the problems in like this, you practice the remaining problems. You have any doubt, you contact your concerned teacher. If you have any problems what I did this video or any other videos, you contact or ask your concerned teacher. Thank you very much, students. Next I will meet with the retirement of the